Hello viewers, today we study the oxidation of unsaturated fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids require some additional processing before they can be degraded completely by beta oxidation. Unsaturated fatty acid CoA with double bond at odd numbered carbon atom are acted on the normal way by the degradation mechanism until the acyl CoA dehydrogenase encounters the cis delta 3 enoyl CoA form at the end of the third round. The presence of double bond between C3 and C4 prevents the formation of another double bond between C2 and C3. To overcome this problem, an isomerase converts the cis delta 3 bond into trans delta 2 double bond, and resulting the trans delta 2 enoyl CoA can then continue the beta oxidation pathway. Another enzyme in addition to the isomerase is required for the oxidation of polyunsaturated fatty acids which have a double bond at even numbered carbon atom. In this case, 2,4-dienoyl intermediate resulting from the action of acyl CoA dehydrogenase is acted on by 2,4-dienoyl CoA reductase to form cis delta 3 enoyl CoA. This is then converted by the isomerase into the trans form which continues the pathway. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.